Welcome back to English and Chill. Today, we listen to two classmates talking about how to stay happy while studying. Pay attention to how they use the word enjoyable and stay for the helpful recap at the end.
Hi, Mark. Are you okay?
Oh, hey Sarah. I'm sort of tired.
Tired? Did you stay up late again?
Yeah, I was studying for our English test.
Until what time? Was it very late?
It was around 11 p.m. My head hurts a bit.
Oh, number 11 p.m. is a long time to study.
I know. It's just, English is kind of hard.
Do you like studying it? Or is it boring?
Honestly, sometimes it feels like a big job.
I understand. But we need to make it enjoyable.
Enjoyable? What does that word mean exactly?
Enjoyable means something that is fun. Like a hobby.
Fun? Like playing football or video games?
Exactly. It means you want to do it.
I sort of want to do it, but I get frustrated.
Frustrated. That's a good word for our classmates.
It means feeling annoyed when things are hard, right?
Yes, exactly. Like when you forget a word.
I have that all the time. It's like a brain freeze.
A brain freeze. That's so funny, Mark.
Is it? My brain just stops working.
Well, for me, I have some tips for that.
Tips? Are they easy tips?
They are. First, I watch things I actually love.
Like movies? But movies are too fast for me.
Wait, I don't start with fast movies.
No? Then what do you watch, Sarah?
I watch cartoons. Like SpongeBob or Toy Story.
SpongeBob? Isn't that for kids?
Maybe, but the English is very clear.
Really?
Yes. And I always use subtitles.
Subtitles. You mean the words on the screen?
Yes. It helps my eyes and ears together.
That sounds sort of helpful, I guess.
It is. I watched a movie last Tuesday.
Which one?
I watched Finding Nemo. It was so cute.
Did you understand everything?
Not everything. But I understood the story.
And you didn't feel bored?
No, because I like the fish characters.
I see. So tip 1 is watch fun things.
Yes. What about you? Do you watch cartoons?
I tried once, but I felt a bit silly.
Don't feel silly. It's just learning.
I guess you're right. It's better than a textbook.
Textbooks are so dry. They have no heart.
My textbook has a lot of grammar rules.
Ugh, grammar. That's why your head hurts.
You're probably right, Sarah.
So, my second tip is to talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? Like a crazy person?
No. Just speak out loud when you are alone.
What do I say to myself?
I describe my day. For example, I am making tea.
I am making tea. Okay.
Exactly. The water is hot. The tea is green.
Wait, really?
Yes. I do it every morning while I brush my teeth.
Does it really help you speak faster?
It does. Your mouth gets used to the words.
Your mouth gets used to the words. I like that.
It's like exercise for your face.
I kind of worry about my neighbors hearing me.
Just speak softly. Or talk to your dog.
I do have a dog. His name is Buddy.
Perfect. Buddy doesn't care if you make mistakes.
That's true. Buddy just wants a snack.
So tell him, Buddy, you are a good boy.
Buddy, you are a good boy. In English.
Yes. And then tell him about your breakfast.
He might get confused, but I'll try it.
Do it for 10 minutes. That's all.
10 minutes. I can do that.
Good. And the third tip, are you ready?
I'm ready. What's number 3?
Use music. Sing along to your favorite songs.
I love music. But I don't know the lyrics.
Lyrics means the words in a song, right?
Yes. Lyrics. Good word, Mark.
I look for the lyrics on my phone.
And then you sing? Like in the shower?
Every single morning. It's my routine.
Routine. Like a habit?
Exactly. Something you do every day.
I have a routine of drinking cold peppermint tea.
Oh, I love peppermint tea. It smells so fresh.
It does. It helps me wake up.
Maybe you can listen to English music while you drink it.
I see what you mean, but won't I get distracted?
Actually, I think it helps your brain relax.
Relax. My brain definitely needs that today.
See? English doesn't have to be a big stress.
A stress. Yeah, I feel a lot of stress about tests.
Tests are just one part of it. Speaking is the goal.
Speaking is the goal. I agree.
I'm learning a lot from talking to you right now.
Really? But I'm just a student like you.
Yes, but we are practicing together. It's nice.
It is nice. It's better than being alone in my room.
I know what you mean. The library is better.
Even with the smell of old books?
I like that smell. It makes me feel smart.
Me too, sort of.
Wait, I have one more tip for you.
Another one? You are full of ideas today.
Well, the coffee is working. Use apps for games.
Like Duolingo?
Yes, or there's a small app that costs $10.
$10? Is it worth it?
I think so. It's called Wordy and it's like a puzzle.
I like puzzles. They make my brain work differently.
Exactly. You aren't just reading. You are playing.
Playing in English. That sounds much more enjoyable.
So, let me see if I got everything.
Yes, let's review. I need to remember these.
First, watch fun things like cartoons with subtitles.
Right. SpongeBob.
Second, talk to yourself or Buddy out loud.
Got it. Buddy gets a story today.
Third, listen to music and learn the lyrics.
Yes. Sing in the shower.
And last, use games and apps to mix it up.
Mix it up. To do different things.
Yes. You got all 4, Mark. Good job.
I feel much better now. Not so sleepy.
That's great. It's all about how you feel.
If I feel happy, I learn more, don't you think?
I think that's the most important thing.
Okay, I'm going to try the talking thing tonight.
Tonight? Not tomorrow?
No. I want to tell Buddy about this library.
He's going to be so surprised.
I'll use a small Muji notebook to write new words too.
Oh, those notebooks are so nice.
Yeah, I love the paper. It's very smooth.
Well, I have to go to my next class now.
Me too. History class is next.
Good luck with history, Mark.
Thanks, Sarah. See you tomorrow.
See you. Have a good one. It was wonderful to hear how Sarah and Mark plan to make English more fun. Remember, talking out loud is a great way to practice your speaking every day.
Follow English and Chill for weekly practice and tell us in the comments, what is your favorite cartoon?